Okay, so Mark Taylor, Jesus, Justin, Commercial Roofs of Texas, and we've got a roof tip of the, again, and this roof tip goes back kind of generally to almost the same thing every roof tip we have is. Know who's on your roof and have your roof inspected, because what we're about to show you is all too common, and it's way too easy to solve this problem by hiring a reputable company to come out at least once a year and get on your roof and inspect it. So let me show you one of the there's many problems, but I'm going to show you one of them right now. So this drain, couple things. Number one, the drain basket is pretty well used up. The drain was plugged, and as you'll see, Justin is standing in about, I don't know, a couple inches of muck.
Yep.
So let me back out here. We've got rotted wood and debris. When was the last time it rained here? 3 days ago?
Yeah.
Okay, so a roof, this type of roof membrane, the water needs to burn off in less than 48 hours. Get your roof looked at.